Welcome to Recollection, Wisconsin. You can use this site to find local history resources from libraries, archives, museums, and historical societies around Wisconsin. The digital collections you can search from recollectionwisconsin.org include images, sounds, documents, and objects that have been shared online by partnering organizations around the state. The website is free to use and updated monthly with new resources. Are you ready to start exploring the wealth of Wisconsin's resources? This tutorial will give you an overview of the website, explain how to use the search engine, and will give you some tips to help you locate exactly what you're looking for. You can perform a basic search from our front page, recollectionwisconsin.org. Let's say you're interested in details about farming. You can type farming in the search box and select search. This will populate your search results. We have 1,772 results listed for this search. By default, the details of each item are displayed. You can also change this to a gallery view, which will only display the thumbnail. Clicking on a thumbnail from the results page will bring up a full description of the item and a link to the location of its home server. Clicking on View Full Item will display the link in a new tab. If you want to make sure you're searching for all of the terms related to farming, you can add an asterisk to the word farm to bring up all variations of the word. You can see now that we have broadened our search to over 10,000 results. To the left of the search results, you can further refine your search by type, subject, date, location, language, or by contributing institution. For example, if we refine our search by contributing institution and choose the New Berlin Historical Society, we limit our results to all of the materials related to our search that were contributed by the New Berlin Historical Society. If you need to clear a filter from your search, that can be done at the top of the screen by clicking the X next to the word you want to remove. Let's say you are looking for records about a specific person. For best results, enter the last name first, comma, and first name. For more search tips, please head over to our website and check out our search tips page. The link is in the description below. Lists. Lists can be created to store and track up to 50 resources and are stored locally on the computer you are currently working on. To create a list, click on the item you are interested in, select the Add New List option, name your list, and select Create. You will not be able to create an account to access this list anywhere. The list must be downloaded. You can download your list by going to the My List tab and selecting Download List. From here, you can also delete your list from the browser history by selecting Delete List. We hope this tutorial has been a helpful introduction to searching the collections available through Recollection Wisconsin's website. If you have any questions or need any assistance, please go to recollectionwisconsin.org/contact to get in touch.